Hey guys, Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, I want to talk about 4 ways to prevent erectile dysfunction from actually getting worse. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. You can help prevent many of the causes of ED and of its getting worse. And remember, the underlying causes of erectile dysfunction only get worse over time unless dealt with. Now, unfortunately, the needed steps required to help erectile dysfunction is lifestyle changes. And the first and most important is quitting smoking. If you smoke, get help quitting. Smoking is linked to heart and blood vessel disease, which can lead to ED. Even when heart and blood vessel disease and other possible causes of ED are taken into account, smoking still increases the chances you will have erectile dysfunction. Follow a healthy eating plan. To help maintain erectile function, choose whole grain foods, low-fat dairy foods, fruits and vegetables, and lean meats. Avoid foods high in fat, especially saturated fat and sodium. Maintaining a healthy weight can help delay the start and progression of diabetes and keep your blood pressure down. Talk with your doctor about how to prevent diabetes or manage the disease if you already have it. Be physically active. Physical activity increases blood flow through the body, including the penis. Talk with a healthcare professional before starting new activities. Beginners should start slow with easier activities such as walking at a normal pace or even gardening. You can gradually work up to harder activities such as walking briskly or even swimming. Aim for at least 30 minutes of activity most days of the week. Avoid using drugs and alcohol. Using drugs may prevent you from getting and keeping an erection. Using drugs and alcohol may mask other psychological, emotional, or physical factors that may be causing your ED. If you are having trouble cutting out drugs or alcohol, see a counselor who has expert knowledge in treating people who have substance issues. An added approach to preventing and reversing underlying causes of ED are supplements. The supplement I use and recommend is something called nitric oxide therapy, as delivered by ProArginine. To learn more about nitric oxide therapy, click the link below this video to see my ED repair page. If you have any questions about that video or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. To view other videos about this same topic, just click on either of the video links above. Again, thanks for stopping by and have a great day.